It's no secret extremely high winds have been battering Central Oregon this week. In some areas, winds reached up to 40 miles per hour. And it's keeping our firefighters busy.
And even though we've had some wet weather, the fire danger still remains high with these gusts. Fallen power lines, trees, and fire danger are all factors firefighters prepare for when winds pick up speed. Bend Fire says they have not received an influx in calls due to the recent windstorm, but as residents continue pile burning and with windy weather continuing, Bend Fire has some tips.
When it gets above 40 miles an hour, we're going to really push a fire, even if it is a little bit wet outside. It's not going to move as fast, but it is a potential. And there's also the smoke. It's going to blow into people's houses. And that's why we ask people to pay attention to the weather. We didn't quite get the wind we were expecting, but the potential is there throughout the rest of the time. When we get into the much higher winds, then we really are looking at those, possibility of trees, especially we've had so much rain lately that loosens up the dirt, makes we're more susceptible for a tree to come down and things like that.
Bend Fire wants to remind you, if winds pick up to 25 miles per hour, pile burning is banned. And get all trees checked by an arborist ahead of any big storms.